The 2011 Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.